can have Cisco Jabber. If you are associated with an organization where you are allowed to use Cisco Jabber, you might have faced some problems where you are not receiving calls. You are unable to get the calls on your Cisco Jabber app. So there are a few things that you have to do before you submit the incident or ticket to your IT support team. I would say that follow these instructions, you will get to see some changes. So first of all, you need to have good internet connectivity. So what we have to do, I'm just opening Cisco Jabber, and first of all check this should be registered. It should show your number, it should have a tick that will indicate that this is connected to your call manager in the background, in the call manager server. Don't worry about that, but this should be checked. Still, if it is checked, it cannot receive the call. It might happen. So now next thing is that go to settings, sounds, receive requests. Here pop up on screen. So this is what you need to enable. Suppose if you are using other applications, this is in the background, it might not give you the call pop-up when somebody calling you, so you need to enable it. Okay, so enable this one. Now go back, receive calls, this should be on by default. Now go to the next one, audio and video. In audio and video, do not play a lot with it. This one, enable differentiated service for call. Enable this one. Low bandwidth mode, do not put it on. Usually these days we all have good bandwidth. So put this on. Enable and differentiated service for calls. This will make the difference. Now call forwarding. So sometimes it happens that we forward the call and after that we forget to disable that. So make sure this is do not forward calls. It should not be hitting voicemail. Otherwise all the calls coming to your Jabber, they will go to voicemail. I'm not forwarding calls to any number. I keep that as it is. So do not forward calls. That is all here. I think these all settings you need to take care. Now close it. A few more settings that you need to enable. Open the settings on your mobile. So go there and check this one. This is the app setting. Here go to permission notifications. Try to enable all the notifications on. But the important thing is that allow full screen notifications. This is again important. If it is running in the background, it might not give you the full screen or the notification. So put this on. Go back. Permissions. I think you have to give the permissions to all this. Okay, here another important thing. App battery usage. So you cannot restrict the battery while it runs in the background. Make sure that you select unrestricted. Allow battery usage in the background. If you choose restricted, it will not work. It will save the battery, resulting not getting calls when it is running in the background. Make sure it is unrestricted. Display over other apps, put it on. It should get the priority over other apps. Put it on. I think this is all you have to do. So once you do this, I'm very sure that you will start receiving the calls, even if it is running in the background. You have just make sure that you have good internet connectivity. You will receive the calls. Thank you for listening to me, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.